Yeah. I see a big giant one way over there starting.
Right now, all the way
Yep.
across.
Dude, that was huge. All the way across. Damn.
Another one behind it.
Yep. Dang.
Now watch this foam rise up to where that guy's standing. He'll be ankle deep in a second.
It's gonna be more than that. If he doesn't start moving, well, he's all right. Look at these waves, man. They're freaking huge. Beautiful, though.
Yeah. Now it's washing up.
Wow.
That big giant one.
Yep. I'm recording this. Facebook. No.
There it is. Look at it. Whoosh,
Wow. You can watch that all the way up on this video. Look where it came up to, all the way over to there. Oh, man.
That guy walking. He saw it coming, moved away.
He's way over here.
Oh, the guy standing there.
Yeah, he's right there.
The
right there with the suit on. And the water came all the way up to where he's at.
They're just washing all the way up right there.
Yeah, it's washing up all the way over here. Still. There are some pretty big waves.